So, we are going to make coffee buttercream now. I have the Swiss meringue buttercream in the stand mixer, that's just made, and I have the instant coffee powder, and then that's about hot water in this small bowl. I am going to mix this into the coffee and make a thick paste of coffee. So, you want hot water, so the instant coffee powder kind of melts itself and blends together, otherwise it's not going to mix. Okay, I'm just going to get the stand mixer in. So the SMBC is just about done. Into that I'm going to add the coffee extract. It's just quite thick, that's what we want. You don't want to add like a lot of liquid content into the buttercream. And this I'm just going to beat now on medium high speed until we have the coffee fully incorporated into the buttercream. So it's all combined. I'm just going to take it out and then scrape the bowl. Then mix it up and then beat it again one more time. So it's done and nicely combined. We have a really delicious and beautiful looking coffee buttercream. Just going to show you how it looks. Okay, so this I'm just going to transfer it into a piping bag. So we have beautiful coffee buttercream ready, and then I'll catch you up in the lesson where I'm going to use this coffee buttercream and then layer and finish assembling the opera cake.